Legends of Learning presents House Renovation, a house building game that makes learning area, surface area, and volume simple and fun to understand. Use your mouse to measure sides by clicking on the unit squares to determine the area of a surface that will be built. Be prepared to use several math formula for calculating the area for different irregular and regular shapes to complete the different tasks. Use the keyboard to insert numbers to measure and complete the house. You will be challenged with different levels of difficulty, and these will put your math skills to the test as you start with area and progress to more complex questions covering volume. Make sure you can break up irregular shapes into regular shapes to calculate volume. Are you ready to accept the challenge? Do you have the house building math skills to build your way to victory?